Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell button.
Hello little kids, come sing with me. We're going on a letter journey. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Learning letters is such a treat. E is for apple, red and bright. B is for bee that buzzes in flight. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for duck that swims all day. Hello friends, are you ready to see more fun letters, just you and me? E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims away. G is for goat up on the hill. H is for hat that keeps you chill. I is for igloo made of ice. J is for jelly, wobbly and nice. K is for kite up in the sky. L is for lion with the mighty cry. Hey little explorers, can you sing with me? We're halfway through the ABCs. M is for moon that shines at night. N is for nightingale taking flight. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for panda munching happily. Q is for queen with the shiny crown. R is for robot spinning around. S is for snake so long and slow. T is for train ready to go. Almost there my little friends, just a few more letters before the end. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van driving down the lane. W is for whale singing a tune. X is for xylophone playing soon. Y is for yo-yo spinning fast. Z is for zebra first to last. Now you know your ABCs. Let's sing again with joy and ease. Hello little kids, don't you see? Let us make the world for you and me. The big bright bus goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. The big bright bus goes beep beep beep, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the bus go open and close, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The engine on the bus goes zoom, 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 zoom. The engine on the bus goes zoom, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go bump, 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 bump. The wheels on the bus go bump, 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 all through the town. The kids on the bus go laugh, 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 laugh. The kids on the bus go laugh, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus goes snore, 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 snore. The baby on the bus goes snore, 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 all through the town. Clap, clap, clap. The hands on the bus go clap, 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 clap. The hands on the bus go clap, 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 all through the town. Yum, yum, yum. The snacks on the bus go yum, 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 yum. The snacks on the bus go yum, 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 all through the town. Vroom, vroom. The sound of the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The sound of the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town.
Rattle, rattle.
The seats on the bus go rattle, 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 rattle. The seats on the bus go rattle, 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 all through the town.
Rat, claddle,
The
crackle.
duck on the bus goes quack, 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 quack. The duck on the bus goes quack, 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 all through the town. Meow, meow, meow. The cat on the bus goes meow, 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 meow. The cat on the bus goes meow, 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 all through the town.
Roar, roar, roar.
The lion on the bus goes roar, 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 roar. The lion on the bus goes roar, 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 all through the town.
Splash, splash, splash.
The rain on the bus goes splash, 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 splash. The rain on the bus goes splash, 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 all through the town.
Wave, wave, wave.
The friends on the bus go wave, 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 wave. The friends on the bus go wave, 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 all through the town.
Tick tock, tick.
The clock on the bus goes tick tock, tick our heads.
Let's go to the farm today, hear what all the animals say. Put on boots and grab your hat, we'll feed the chickens and pet the cat.
The sun is rising, sky is blue, let's meet the animals, me and you.
In the pasture standing tall, there's a cow beside the wall. She munches grass and gives a wink and gives us milk before we blink.
Heck, moo moo moo, she says with pride, with big brown eyes and steps so wide.
Pig in the mud by the puddle near the gate, lives a pig who's never late. She snorts and laughs and takes a dive, into the mud she comes alive. And oink 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 she rolls around, she makes mud pies without a sound.
Near the stream where water flows, a waddling duck goes where she knows. She flaps her wings and gives a shout, it's swimming time, no doubt about it. Quack quack quack, she flaps with glee, then shakes her tail so happily.
Out in the field the wind runs fast,
a speedy horse goes galloping past, her hooves go thump, her mane flows free. She neighs with joy for all to see.
Neigh, 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 she sings so loud, then leaps and lands, she's strong and proud. On the hill in wool so white, a sheep is bouncing with delight. She grazes grass and hums a tune, and naps beneath the silver moon.
In ba 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 she sings so sweet, her little hooves go tap tap feet. On the roof he crows with might, the rooster wakes the world at night. He struts and shakes his feathered head, wake up now, get out of bed.
The cock-a-doodle-doo so proud and clear, he starts the farm day every year. By the gate with watchful eyes, the farm dog barks and sniffs the skies. He chases sticks, then rolls in hay, and guards the farm all night and day.
Though drift woof woof he calls with glee, he loves his job and you and me. Let's go to the farm again to play and sing with all our friends. From moo to neigh, from quack to bark, the farm is fun from dawn to dark. So wave goodbye, it's time to rest. The sunset paints the golden west, but when the rooster crows once more, we'll run back through that barnyard door.
Let's go to the farm once more. Let's go to the farm today, hear what all the animals say. Put on boots and grab your hat, we'll feed the chickens and pet the cat.
The sun is rising, sky is blue, let's meet the animals, me and you.
Down on the farm at the break of day, the animals rise in a musical way. Each one has a sound to share, singing with joy through the morning air. The rooster crows from the top of the shed, cock-a-doodle-doo, coo-coo-coo, get out of bed. He struts and flaps in the golden sun, waking the world, his job is fun. The cow goes moo in a gentle tone, moo moo, chewing grass in a field alone. She sings a song so calm and sweet, with a rhythm in her stomping feet. The donkey brays with a hee-haw tune, hee-haw, loud and proud by the light of the moon. He loves to dance and stomp his hooves, wiggling his ears to the catchy grooves. The donkey brays with a hee-haw tune, hee-haw, loud and proud by the light of the moon. He loves to dance and stomp his hooves, wiggling his ears to the catchy grooves. The chickens cluck and flap around, pecking grain without a sound. Then suddenly, cluck, 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 they cheer their peeping chicks chicks all chirp and steer. The ducks go quack by the lily pond, quack, quack, waddling through with the feathery bond. They splash and sing, they dip and dive, their watery concert comes alive. The sheep say baa with wool so white, they sing soft songs in the pale moonlight. They hum and sway in cozy rows, their voices light as falling snows. The horses neigh and trot with grace, nee, nee. They gallop in time, a steady pace. Their songs are strong, their manes so neat, with clip-clop beats from dancing feet. Even the cat joins in the sound with meow, 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 so smooth and round. Meow, meow. She leaps on hay and spins in air, a whiskered waltz without a care. Woo! The farm dog barks a bouncing beat, he taps along with happy feet. Woof, 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 woof. He sings with pride, woof, 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 while wagging his tail from side to side. So many voices, loud and clear, singing songs for all to hear. If you pass that way, just
Fruits are yummy, fruits are fun, good for me and everyone. Sweet or sour, big or small, I want to eat them all, yum yum.
Morning fruits in the morning when I rise, I see fruits before my eyes. Banana slices in a bowl, give me energy and make me whole.
Oranges are round and bright, full of sunshine, pure delight. Peel them easy, juice will flow, tasty treat that helps me grow.
Strawberries are sweet and red, I like them on my toast and bread. Blueberries so tiny and blue, I pop them in my mouth, do you?
Talk about fluffy curl tasties. Pineapple spiky, yellow and sweet. Mango is a juicy treat. Papaya, guava, passion fruit too.
Summer treat blends big and green, the juiciest fruit you've ever seen. Slice it up and take a bite, summer fruits feel just right.
Strawberries are sweet and red, I like them on my toast and bread. Blueberries so tiny and blue, I pop them in my mouth, do you?
Tropical taste, vanilla and sweet. Mango is a juicy treat. Papaya, guava, passion fruit too. Tropical flavors just for you.
Summer treat and take a bite. Summer fruits feel just right. Slice it up and take a bite. Summer fruits feel just right.
La 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 la. Are soft and shaped like a bell. They have a juicy taste as well. Peaches, plums, and apricots, line them up in fruity lots.
Zesty zing, lemons and limes are zesty and tart. Add them to juice for a fresh new start. Not too sweet but full of zing. Fruits can do just anything. Hi!
Fruits are yummy, fruits are fun, good for me and everyone. Every color, every taste, nothing ever goes to waste. Take a bite and shout hooray! Let's eat fruits every day. Hooray!
Fruits are yummy, fruits are fun, good for me and everyone. Sweet or sour, big or small, I want to eat them all, yum yum.
Morning fruits in the morning when I rise, I see fruits before my eyes. Banana slices in a bowl, give me energy and make me whole.
Oranges are round and bright, full of sunshine, pure delight. Peel them easy, juice will